Hi, in this video I will show how to use ParadoxDB To Xls app. XLS is old Excel format, so we're gonna convert ParadoxDB data table into Excel spreadsheet. Excel for older XLSs or for older version of Excel like Excel 2000 Office. So this is my website. I will leave link on this site into description. To find app, I will click on search and type Paradox To Xls. Click on the page, click on download button to start downloading process and wait until file will be downloaded on my computer. It's a relatively small file, 4 megabyte file, and here it is. I will click on it to open, then double click on MSI inside archive to start installation, click on more info here. I'm getting the screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher with Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown. I'll just click run anyway to start installation, click on next install, click on yes here and click on finish. You can see app has been installed on my computer. I have a shortcut on my desktop. Now I can close this and minimize this and double click on shortcut to launch app. Conversion is 3 steps process. In first step I have to select ParadoxDB file. I will click on this button to open where is my ParadoxDB file located. It's my documents ParadoxDB and this is a file. I'll click on it. Click on next step. There are no conversion options yet on second step. If you think of any options that can tweak conversion process, please let me know. I will add them to the screen and they will be available into next version of the application. Right now I'll just click on next step to continue step 3, and on step 3 I'll just click run button to start conversion. And then I have to specify name and location of my Excel file. This name is location is okay. I'll just click save and you can see that file has been saved into location as specified. Let's go and see a file. I click quick access. Here is my file. Double click on it. And you can see all data from the file has been converted into nice Excel spreadsheet, and I can see all data from the file in there. So basically that's it. If you have any questions about app, please leave them in comments. Thank you.